Hi everyone, I'm Nelly Morena and today it's all about cut crease and diamond pigments. I'm beginning by cleaning the skin with Micell cleansing water and now I'm moisturizing the skin with Hydrating Primer. The primer contains hyaluronic acid and a lot of good vegetal oils and leaves a nice glowy finish. I will moisturize the lips with HyE Rich Lip Conditioner. Now I'm applying Longwear Foundation in shade 2Y55 and I'm applying a very thin layer of foundation as I want to keep the glowy finish. Now I'm using HD Pro Concealer in shade N45, is a neutral shade, and I'm applying it in the middle of the face to highlight the skin. To keep the glowy finish, I will set the makeup just in the T-zone with Setting Smooth Loose powder in a neutral shade. I will contour the skin with contour powder Redwood. It's a perfect shade for medium to tan skin tones. I will prime now the eyelids with an eye primer. I'm blending the texture with a brush. I'm using now 15 color eyeshadow palette Nude GLAM to create the cut crease. I'm placing the gray color directly in the crease and I'm blending with a brown shade. I'm using now cream gel liner Black Panther. The texture is very creamy, so it is really easy to work with it. To make the cut crease looking more precisely, I'm applying cream gel liner. I'm applying now Diamond Pigment Rainbow White over the eyelids. As I applied eye primer before, the diamond pigments will stay in place. Apply mascara at the end to make the eyes look more bigger. I'm styling the eyebrows with a comb. I'm filling the gaps with ID Brows in shade Ash Brown. This is an eyebrow cream gel, our newest product. It contains volumizing ingredients and it's waterproof. I am highlighting now the inner corner with Pearl Pigment Sensation. This pigment is really fine and I love really to create a beautiful light on skin with the same color. Blush is one of the most important products to create the freshness on skin. I'm applying vivid nude color. I'm contouring the lips with a lip liner. And I'm applying now one of my favorite shades for the lips. The color name is Famous. My model is ready now. Hope you liked it today, guys. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.